Hey guys, this is Ed, and today we have a 2010 Chevy Aveo. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to replace your turn signal bulb if it's out on your Chevy. So let's start, because in this case you will have to take the light out to do so. So let's start. First thing, we have to open the hood. Open the hood. You have to find the latch, pull it up, secure the hood. Okay, so now we have our light. So this is our light, for example. What we need to do, we have to grab the 10mm ratchet, like this, and unscrew the light. Put the bulb here for now, the bolt. And one over there. Okay. Put it here. So now it should be, okay. Next step, what you want to do, disconnect the connector from the headlight bulb. Okay, there's this wire which connects to the headlight bulb. Just pull on it. This is how you disconnect it. Okay, so now we should be able to wiggle the light out. Just little by little, try not to scratch anything. Alright. So what we have here, this is our connector to the turn signal. We disconnect it by pressing the clip over here. There's a thing, you just press on it and pull it. Press on it and pull it. Easy, simple. Okay, here's our light. Well, if you need to change the light, you just put the new light in. I'm gonna show you right now how to do this. But to get the bulb out, you take the bulb, you spin it counterclockwise and pull it out. That's it. Now you have to inspect the light. If the bulb is good, then you might have a problem with something else, not the bulb itself. But first thing, obviously, you want to change the bulb. To get this bulb, just go to auto store and bring them this bulb, and they will give you the same one. Okay, once you have the new bulb and you inspected it, you just put your bulb in and secure it by turning it. Click. Once you hear a click, it's in. It's good. Again, next step. Let's take our connector, connect it here, and let's get our light in. Nice. Sorry. Okay, we have our light in. So let's not forget about the connector here, which goes to the headlight. Connect it. Just put it in. And let's put our screws back in. well, you just have to secure just put the bolts back in place, and pretty much this is where we're gonna end. Okay, so guys, if this helps, press like, and have a great day.